Okay, let's look at some functions that are closer to Jira itself. For example, if you are on a board and you select an item, that item opens, and if we scroll down a bit here, we can see that here is something that is added by Scope360. Here it says you can see the ancestors. You can also see the siblings. We see that we have 3 in the backlog, 2 in progress and 1 done. And when I expand this, I can see which these issues are, meaning that I can read about them without opening them. For example, if I click this eye icon, I can see here I see labels, but if there were a description, that would be shown as well. That means that you don't have to open that many issues on separate tabs, and you can also navigate directly to siblings from here. And when you get to this view, you will get some other menu choices, but you still have this dialog here that you can, family view, that you can use to see related issues. All right, so let's get back to the board. Another thing you can do here is like you could have a lot of quick filters, and when you select different things here, it might be different, complicated to grasp what is really shown here. But what you can choose here is to open the board as a JQL query. Then you get the search view, and you can see here the query that defines this. You can still open the plan reports from here. You can do export. The export here is different from the export in Jira in the sense that it is aware of the dimensions that we talked about. And we can also use the refine query menu to work with a query that we got here. Let's see, I changed this to a list view instead. And I can here select that I would like to see only stories. Then it adds that to the query. I can choose to trace ancestry. Then it adds all the parents. So now we have both stories and epics in here. I can select to see only the epics and maybe remove those that are done. And then if I want to see only the stories of these epics, then I can choose to move down. And then I got those stories. So this is just to tease you a bit what you can start to try out in this refine query menu.